So what the heck does nearsightedness and farsightedness mean? You hear these terms all the time. Let's get to the root of what they are and if there's anything we can do about them. When you hear the term nearsightedness, this means you can see up close and things are blurry far away. This is also known as myopia. Now, nearsightedness is caused by a lengthening of the eye. So the eye gets longer, so light actually goes through your pupil and focuses in front of the retina. What we do with glasses is we artificially move that light back to the retina, which is the movie screen of the eye. When you move the light to the retina, you get clear, comfortable vision. What happens is when you don't have the light on the retina, things are blurry far away. Thus, if you take off your glasses and you're nearsighted, you can see up close, but things are blurry when you look at a distance. Now, one of the coolest advancements that I've experienced in my life as an eye doctor is myopia management. So this is something that helps our pediatric population not have high prescriptions when they get older. If you've been through the pandemic or in schools today, you see everyone on screens, computers, phones, tablets. We're staring up close all the time. This has made the eye lengthen faster than we've ever seen before. Well, with certain eye drops, contact lenses, or overnight retainers, we can slow the progression of myopia and keep the eye from lengthening. This keeps the prescription lower so they don't have as thick of glasses when they get to be my age. Now, if you want to hear more about this, leave a comment below. Now, let's talk about farsightedness or hyperopia. A farsighted person can see far away. They have trouble when they look up close. Now, what happens is the eye is actually shorter than normal. So light focuses behind the eye and you have to focus to bring it up to the retina, again, the movie screen of the eye. When you're young, you can focus through any kind of prescription because your muscles are really strong. As we get older, if you're in your 40s, 50s, or 60s, you know what happens. You're able to see far away, but up close starts to be more difficult. This is when you need glasses for reading, computer, or the dreaded bifocal or progressive lens. Now I say dreaded because it sounds scary, but these are phenomenal inventions that help farsighted people see far away and up close at the same time. My analogy for farsightedness is it's like running uphill. If you're farsighted, you're doing it with a backpack on when you look up close. Now, as I was saying before, as you get older, when those muscles are weaker, you start to have a problem seeing up close. So if your child or you can see up close, but you're getting a lot of fatigue, strain when you're on a computer, or you're getting a headache around the brow area, you might want to get checked out because you might be farsighted and you're overworking when you're doing near work. And we all know that's where the majority of our time is spent, at work and at school. So if you're getting those symptoms, get an eye exam and we can get you some computer glasses or some glasses specifically for the task that you are doing to give you relief and make your muscles not work as hard. Drop a like and subscribe if you got value from this, and we'll see you in the next video.